G'day guys, Peter from Team Low Range 4x4 here, and I'm going to be doing a unboxing and a little bit of a first impressions review of my Kings, brand new Kings, Adventure Kings I might add, awning, which is a 2x2.5 meter with the LED light strip. Wow, I can't wait to get into it, and I'm sure you guys can't wait to jump on board and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and also don't forget to us a big thumbs up please. Here it is, I've unboxed it, and my first impressions, wow, it actually feels like a more quality product than I was expecting. Really at the end of the day, that's going to be proven by time, obviously. So I'm going to be running this awning for the next 12 months. I'm going to be taking it pretty much full time on my vehicle, commuting and camping and four-wheel driving. So we'll see how it stands up to the weather. This canvas, feels like canvas at least. Outer case seems quite durable. You've got quite a thick aluminium bracket here in the back, so it gives you plenty of options to mount. And of course the Kings, get that in shot just in case you can't see it, they feel quite robust. Good quality zipper, and there's the canvas awning in there. So I'm not going to unbox it more than this, or unwind it so to speak, because I want to mount it on the four-wheel drive and take it out for a spin and unfurl it, so to speak, and set it up and give it a good test run. There's only one issue I've got at the moment. I don't actually have something to mount this to. See, when I purchased this, I thought, wow, I'm going to have plenty of time to purchase something that I can mount this on. And then I found out there's so many options, I wasn't being able to make my mind up. I wanted to make my mind up, but you know, roof racks, a cage, a flat rack, so many options. Maybe you guys can hit me up in the comments and tell me what you think is the best kind of roof rack system for your four-wheel drive that the old Kings awning can be mounted to. Of course, in the next week or so I'm going to make that decision, so please jump on board as soon as you see this video so I can actually find out what your suggestions are. And then I'm going to dive in, get this mounted, and give my full review, first impressions full review that is, of the Kings awning, and then hopefully by then I'll have a chance to hit some tracks. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to jump on board one more time, and yes, and of course thumbs up. And you know, doing that is going to give you the opportunity to check this long-term review out of the Kings awning, and possibly any other Kings products that I might dive into over the next 12 months. Alright, I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4. Thank you, and I'll check you in the next video.